They're going vexed today still.
I'm passionate about this shit. Man's not a loser, bro. We're losing to people that we should be beating.
Go out there and destroy the team and go home. Are we able of doing this?
Yes, we are. Yeah? Please, let's go home.
And we're live. And we're back. Say your name, brother.
Reg, man. Black Pickford.
We're saying?
There, man. There.
Clean
What
crep.
a day super keeper / clean creps. If you need your trainers clean, hit me up. / goalkeeper, man. I'm there, man.
You're done, man. We're saying? A couple games now with the Royals and that.
Yeah, man. Debut season, innit? Obviously, first game I'm coming like a hero. Say 3 penalties. You've only seen that in fucking Euros or World Cup. Second.
I remember that though.
Third game, a few mistakes, but we move, man.
Yeah.
Maybe the games to win. It's a long season, man. Justin, innit?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Coming up in Canada Goose, yeah? You don't want to say nothing for the camera?
No, I don't like cameras.
We've made some new changes. We've got a new gaffer.
New gaffer, man.
What you saying, bro?
Nothing, man. As you can see, it's a little bit slow this morning, but you know, we're getting there, man.
We'll come back and do your interview. We can explain
so I
exactly.
can introduce myself properly.
Exactly. You don't know. You done. Couple new faces in there. Well, you shy for the camera, yeah? You don't want to say nothing?
You got permission to be doing that?
What you say? Man needs permission. We need to sign NDA.
You're good.
We need to sign NDA.
You're good.
Just send it over to the secretary, innit?
Yeah, we'll do.
So you know, captain.
Yeah, big game today.
Yeah.
Obviously we're focused right now, just to get the win in it.
Exactly. New kit and that.
New kit as well. When we get training kit?
It's all coming out, man. We just need to get it printed on, man.
Yeah.
It takes time for these things. Obviously, you already know James. Young boy David. You want to introduce yourself to the camera, or we'll do it after the game?
Whenever you're ready, boss.
Hey, we got on your timing, bro.
After.
Solid performance today, though.
I hope so, yeah.
Let me get the new thing in there.
Last one, lads.
Lamar, what go on?
There you are, man. Here to get the business done.
I'm done now.
Camera rolling. What rolling? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
To do from here to there, but nonsense, you can't do that.
So how you feeling in red?
It's meant to be, innit?
It's meant to be, innit?
I'm here with my son, you know. He runs for me, I score for him.
You're done
That's how it
now.
works.
So little light jog to that one and then 3/4 to me. Go.
Oh, there. Jeez.
You lot, you boys, come in quickly. Let me talk to you lot quickly.
I don't see that in the game, though.
I don't get a chance.
I don't take the chance.
Say that again. You don't get a chance.
I'm too deep.
What?
They played me too deep.
Say no more.
A couple people will start off in positions that they may not usually play like that or just be helping out, but you will go back in your position, whether it's first half, second half. But for those that are playing, for everyone in general, like let's say last week, even to just touch on last week, obviously we had a cup game, it's a big cup game, and we end up like 5-6 man pulling out, and it's not even a pull out thing, there was just no communication. Can't be having that, and we're playing good teams. The team that we even figured out last week done very well. We lost 4-2, but we done very well in terms of the game. But if some of my better players are not there, how do we expect to do as a team, do good? But then we'll always be thinking about what if. I can't be doing what if, because our what if now is next year. We're out of the cup now, so we got to think about next year now. So obviously today's a miss. We go back next week into the league where we need to do better. We're bottom of the table. Obviously we've only played 2 games, but we're bottom of the table. We're out of 1 cup as well. So it's not really looking good at the moment. The only thing that I would say is we're a new team. So
The first one was that.
Sydney School.
Yeah, what was
No,
the
Bexley.
Oh, Bexley.
Yeah, the one where we lost 6-1. What was the second one?
Sydney Sports.
Oh, that was the league game.
Yeah.
Like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So we've only played 2 leagues.
Yeah, we've only played 2 games, which is not bad. But same way, we lose a third one, 0 points. Other teams already on 9 points. So it's like you don't want to even be grinding to games thinking that we need to win this. Like don't get me, every game's a winnable. It's a win game, but it's all mentality as well, isn't it? We both sit and just marshal it for the first 10 minutes, so then we know. Like you say, you just pick up anything in the middle. Boys, the most things, just have fun. Have fun. Shots. I need shots from at least everybody. Like my front three definitely gotta have shots. My midfielders gotta have shots. If you get into areas where you know you can lick it off, don't think twice. Shoot. It is what it is. Everybody on it, boys. It can't be quiet.
All in, boys. Come on.
Do our best, have some fun in it. And one thing that we all need to do is that just constantly communicating. I'm sure we all know each other. If you don't, new faces that get to know each other, innit? But like, just go out there, do your business. This is gonna be the start of our winning streak, yeah? That's boys on 3.
Hey, I need a loud one, you motherfuckers.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, Mike.
I should have breakfast. I should work on an empty stomach. Come on, man. Allow me. Allow me, man. We're not the same.
You earn your wage.
Come on. Healthy things as well. Yeah, you got whistle. Come on.
Hey, ref, you need to use your whistle so we know. Use it so we know.
Keep up.
Fucking hell, man.
Get rolled him! Well done, Time. Easy, Bill, easy.
Back to Bill! Oh, well done.
Well done, Man on, one more. Yes. You go!
Can you do that? I love that. I love that. Mike, get that! Mike! Now we conversation. Man on. Hey, use him. Next one. Charlie! Go to holiday now. Oh! Go shot!
It's a!
Hey, well done, team.
It's fine.
Straight ball.
Yeah!
From instructions.
Let's hold.
Oh my days. Arms ain't got the leg to get up and down like that, bro.
Come to it. Oh no. What's that? Squid. He's shot.
He came late, innit?
Come on, boy. I need my midfielders on it. Yes, come on. Go, Sam. That's off. That's off. That was offside, though. That was offside. Chris, we go, Chris. We go, open it. Yeah, that's one. There we go. Still on. Come on, middle. James, go the other way now. Boys, where's Marvin? Bolo, well done. Can we get Corey? Don't do it. We don't waste time right there, boys. Come on. I need my midfielders on the ball as quick as possible. Come on. Step in a little bit, Incc. Tally. Tally, can you get in front of him? Tally, that's you. Run pass. Oh, you should have. Bring out there. Wilf. Not coming up. I love you. Man on. And again. Good kick. Run quickly. Come on wider. Yes! Man like Deckers. Martin! Come on, White! No, I know. And you got the ball? Oh! No way! Oh! Red, you saw you! Easy! Away! I would have finished my game. Go on.
Didn't he turn up late as well? No, but he weren't really fast.
It's a pen. It's a pen.
Yeah, he wasn't for us, to be fair.
You guys are bugging, man. I don't
understand what's going on.
And they called it. And he came late. Yo, I was
The thing, I'm just saying, because he's coming to us bare time, so I'm just asking him what's happening.
This guy's coming to 15.
You that coming to face thing, man. I don't know if I get used to that one, man. With the fluff thing as well, man. What's this shit?
In the news.
Royals.
Mad, man. Catch to get the full moon. It's a full moon. For them people that believe in that shit.
Thursday night, full moon. The wolves are out.
Nitty's out as well.
the bitties are out too. It's something.
You mean the nitties are out too, bruv?
It's a joke, man.
Ain't a fucking nitty, bruv.
It was a joke. It's a joke.
Yeah, don't do shit
Sorry,
like
man.
that,
Sorry. It's Thursday night.
Hey, welcome to the hood, man. Welcome to the hood.
I thought she was somebody else.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
This guy's on cam smoking.
No, he's not.
Go play football.
Go ahead, dry snitching, man. Go ahead, man. How much snitching you gonna do tonight, bro?
Alright, so today we're here with the Young Bucks.
Yeah.
So
Come to
we're
play
here
with the Royals.
Huh?
They come to play with the Royals.
No, you came to play with me today.
No, you come to play with the Royals.
Alright. So me and my friend Alaji, us man are gonna come, Alaji.
Yeah, introduce yourself yet, fam?
Yeah. My name's FK. This is my friend Alaji. Soon come pro. Yeah.
Tell us about yourself, man. What position do you play?
Man plays left wing, innit? So this is South London, you know, like this is the hoodlum. That's my boy AJ. Lily comes to him, training 1-on-1.
Okay.
Yeah, one of the technical midfielders I've seen. He's good on the ball. Yeah, then we have a lad. You gotta wanna buck him on the field. Ding, 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 ding.
What, you wanna do that again?
Ding, 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 ding.
Boy, if you don't.
We'll see what you're saying, innit?
There's only one Stefan Ocamp, which is surprising. Yeah, he was a little fug back in the day, you know what I mean? A little bit of a problem. He's turning his life around. You know what I mean? He's working with the youth now, you know what I mean? Saving the children. Proper. Hey, do you mind? My banner is not for your channel, bro. Can you look it up?
Where's it good?
Some guy,
The Boys.
The Boys. You ain't watch The Boys?
Nah, I ain't but watch it.
Oh, you're slacking still.
the man just bet.
Hey, when the fun stops, stop.
The fun at the moment is very funny. Man.
Oh, well, you didn't break me off. I came to the group, I saw you was breaking niggas off. How you ain't break me off?
I got the niggas that bet that day, innit?
I bet that.
That's like year 10.
Well, that's it, came late. That's the main shit came out late. Yeah, Chris, keep it. Alright.
Did he score? But what?
It's ready to score. Keep it playing.
Okay.
Premier League is just so you can be happy again. No.
Wait, we got a W, mate.
Go!
Phantom fucked up my acca, bro. Man would have made 480.
Remember, when the fun stops, stop.
Colin, I don't think their best this week still. Say, bro. Yes.
My thing, you fucked up today.
Dramatic.
On. No. You can't touch it. Reset. Yes, Chris. What a goal.
Yes, set line. Yes, come over. Change the ball. Long balls on one. Chris, time. Bounce and go. Now you go. That's a ball though. There's no you gotta blaze these ones just to miss.
Across your left. Put it across. I missed it. I didn't even get on cam. Because I was telling man to shoot across, bro. Shoot across, bro.
Bro, no.
Shoot across, bro. Man gave him the eye. Man gave him the eye and put it in their post. It's not me, man. No, you man. It wasn't my idea, man.
Hey, what's the touch, man?
Oh.
First time?
Got that one for you, don't worry, man. Oh, you must be the ref. Why are you
I'm not the
ref?
ref, bro. I'm not the ref, bro.
Where are you refing?
Bro, I'll keep telling your brother about this shit, man.
Yeah, it's going to the block. I don't give a damn. On Sunday, we need assists, we need goals, we need everything, yeah?
Yeah.
No wala. Dino, 5 away from 50.
Coming, man.
5 away from 50.
Coming, man.
How do you stop the music?
This is on the corner as well. This is on the corner.
Yeah, literally, he can bop.
Man.
Big game, you're doing team sheet. It's important. This is going in the documentary anyway. This is the kind of shit that we go through every morning with this nigga. Huh? Jarrell's gonna bring them in it. I owe you £40, you won't let me rest.
Pay my money.
Arms camps.
Bro, you know, yeah, big man thing, I think I need to be captain.
Arms camp.
I'm being dead serious.
What's your Nina, bro?
Man like Francisco.
Come, bro.
He returned back after the loan from Brooklyn and that.
Wakanda forever, you get me?
That robbery that happened last night. Hey. That robbery that happened last night.
I see the highlight.
Uncle was touching that Gypsy King and that. Uncle touched that Gypsy King, you know. Always late and that. £2 fine.
First half footage.
£2 fine.
Where's my first half footage?
No, I'm gonna put it up and list it today. I'm gonna put it up and list it today. £2 fine.
Yeah, Alex, come on. Yes, come on.
£2 fine. What's that, my guy?
Good.
It's good, broski. Late comer, £2.
Boys, lively.
Uh-huh.
Guys, who's ready to switch on now, yeah? Go switch on from now.
That's it. Good change. This is a champion song. We don't win today, but what are you playing the song for? Kylian Mbappe. Is that Kylian Mbappe does it? You know this song is for champions, isn't it? So show me a champion performance, please.
Boys, come on.
Go, boy.
Have you go the other way? Have you go Lamar? Go long then. Again.
Brilliant win. Thank you. How many? Protect my player, please. Protect my teammate.
Back in, Reg, back in.
That's all they got, the long ball. That's all they got.
Give that little bit of yard there. Yeah.
He's been in bad form this year, you know.
Boys, but now we got. Simon time. Go wide, Sonny. Oh, you go. Let me tell you. Turn out. Hold it.
Nothing.
We fucking Royals. We fucking Royals.
No one's touching. They just put it back together. One plays one ahead. That's something. Back post. What's going on?
Come back. Make your choice.
Oh my God. Why would they take it quick? What's wrong with these boys?
Turn up. We go to the wide out. Come on.
Arms! Why did you take that corner quick? Why? Fucking idiot.
Oh my God.
Arms! Why did you take that corner quick? Oh my God.
Oh, what is that, man? What is that? Turn up. One of you's got to go now. Thank you, well done. One of my midfielders. Now we got midfielder. Haru. Turn out.
Come out of there. Oh,
We still come.
James, come out! Bloody hell! Lamar! Fucking hell, bro. And now look at these lot. You are nuts. Hey, nuts.
Wait, based on Lucas' mistake. Come on! Play to the whistle, boy! No,
I care about it. I don't think there's anything in there though.
How did you know that?
I'm not going to do that again in the game. We're not going to make that move again in the game.
Lamar!
We're not going to do that move again in the game.
You understand, fam? What have you got going on?
Right.
Bro! You go the other way! Bro! Go on!
Oh my God.
For fuck's sake! Watch the good ball, boys! Go on! Yes, Jack! Get the ball back! Why are you not taking Yellow line. I need Jack! They don't want it! Well done! Help! Keep it going. No.
Oh my God.
No!
Jesus.
That's the offside. How's the offside? Don't play when you fucking idiot! You guys keep it going! Your guys offside! What the fuck are you on, fam? Get that. That's 51 minutes. Come on, this way. Go on! Play, man! Take him on!
We don't deserve that. have shit, bro. What that's a pen. Where, Jazz?
The first 3 goals was from Godman. So obviously, I know for the third goal, the ball didn't bounce, but it's like, I keep on saying, we allowed them to score shit goals all the time. Look at the goal we had to score today. Look at the way we, in the final 20 minutes, we were camped in the play. I don't think we met a team that's camped us in like that. But yeah, we're here with 3 L's, already a loss in 1 cup. First, it's not correlating with what we're actually doing. If we're just trying to be a football club, and just generically, you've got to prepare yourselves properly. You've got to be on time. God, and this is the thing that annoys me the most. Why am I always screaming to do certain things? With people that I played with in the past, I promise you, if I don't give them that ball, I don't mind if I've done a good pass. They're going to get mad at me. My midfielders need to get mad at players if they're not giving them the ball. My attackers need to get mad at the midfielders that are not getting the ball from the defenders to get them the ball. I don't hear nobody angry. That first half, no one was angry. Nobody was angry. It's just 3 goals went in. Nobody was angry. Man really just come to play football. And when I mean that, it's just, yeah, you play football. What else to football is there? Enough was way much better. More pattern to play with. You done well when you came on. Well, I know you had that 15 minutes. Good goal that you took there. If done well on that side. Martin, done well with coming. Like I said, I can't even fault no one in that second half because we worked harder. Wilf, when he went in the middle, worked your socks off there. Yeah, Wilf, I don't think you're going back on that wing again. To be fair, yeah. I don't think you're going back on that wing because you're not getting the ball, and when you're not there, there's nothing you're giving. And that energy, I need that more in the middle. Ade, your thing with Ade, and obviously I'm just saying this in front of everyone, I'll go for everyone. Fam, you've got so much talent. You're actually mad. But your thing is, you don't give 100%. I don't know, I don't think I've ever seen 100% from you. And you've played good games, but I don't know what 100% is from you. It's like there's always more. I know there's more, but I haven't seen more. Like you coming off, I want you to be upset. Because realistically, you shouldn't be coming off. We should be top of the table easy. We play Sydney Sports, they're supposed to win it. These are top of the table. And that Bexley game, that was obviously that's a one-off. That was a 6-1, but that was a one-off. That's the shittest team we played. Boys, today's team's top of the table. We outplayed them. Because all their chances came from mistakes. Like I said, these conversations, we can't be having them weekly. Right in front of you. Honestly, this one that stole us. Can you imagine?
Hey boys, we gotta end this losing streak today, you know? We gotta end this losing streak today, boys. We gotta end this losing streak. We gotta end this losing streak today. We need more from you, fam.
Yeah, today, 100%.
Yeah? 100%. We need more from you, fam. 100%. And like Jamie, we need to end this losing streak.
W today, W.
We need to end this losing streak. We need to end this losing streak, fam.
Nah, definitely.
We need to end it, bro.
Nah, definitely.
We have that losing streak today, Chris. We need to end it today, bro. Today's the day we end it, yeah?
We will.
We gotta end this losing streak, Dino. Legendary. 5 away from 50.
We've got 7 minutes. I don't even want to do this, bro. I just want us to get going.
Okay.
Give me.
Alright, cool. That's staying in the episode. He said the camera's gimmicky. What do you think, Gaffer?
Scared. The camera on my face. Man said he said he's gonna report us for our fucking goal nets. What one for the nets? Our nets are saying that's the worst I've seen in 28 years. No, like shut up, man.
On the side and the bottom though.
Yeah, obviously the Foxes getting it somehow.
Shit, that's mad though. That's actually not.
It's not your fucking net.
It's the school, yeah. Like, come on, man.
We should even be taking money off the school. We're like, man,
Like, when he said that to me, I don't know how much you're paying, but you should be getting onto that.
Yeah, no.
Like, cool. I'll note that still.
Like, we can't be paying for the service and this.
I'll note that. Come on, you fucking Royals!
You highlight, kind of make it
We played the Hampshire Cup, yeah, won 3-0 in the Hampshire Cup final, yeah. Get better those video calls, that's what it's called, they missed a lot.
Nah. That's all down to memory, bro.
Yeah.
And again, Martin, and again. You got 2 touches.
Boys, don't let him bring
Hey!
Martin tried to shift.
Working. You know what? Thank you.
Still good.
Oh.
Yeah, Els you lost weight, you know?
I've been trying,
Yeah, you lost some weight still.
No, Crystal Boy, he's the one. He's the one though.
Ref, they're cheating, mate. No, that's cheating, mate.
It's not cheating, it's not cheating, it's the ref. It's the ref.
Ref, watch the game, mate. Fucking
Play!
X gone. Slappings. Ooh, tight one. Oh, I lucky. Free.
Why is it free? Follow him, Chris.
Ref! Oh, ref! Ref, you're giving that?
Even now, defensively, what can you offer?
Just tell your players and your supporters that I have to mark them at the end of the game. Comments like that are unacceptable. Alright? No.
No, it was me that said it.
I'm just saying there's someone along this line. Alright? If those persist, right, it's going to happen. Something to the cards are going to come out.
Chill, you as well, chill. He's talking about you lot as well, chill. Yeah, chill.
Now we come up. Think about it now.
That's why you have to
Wiz, that should have been you, Wiz. Come on, Wiz. Come on. We got Wiz, where's the time position? Let me ask you that. But boys, if we know he's going long, we've got to go long now. Boys, they're going to apply pressure too much on this bench.
Oh! In that midfield now.
Well done. Man on Wiz.
Man on Wiz. Fucking hell, bro.
Come on, boys.
Bro!
Come on.
Every week. Feel like man. What is the keeper on? What is the keeper on? What's Reg doing?
Don't let him, next time, don't let him.
You lot off the line, man. My keeper's pants, bro. This keeper's pants. I'm not even going to say a word because you lot pissed me the fuck off, man.
I don't know about you, bro. It seems like people are coming off, man are not bothered, bro. And I don't want to play with people like that. If you're not bothered, bro, I can't play in this team. Because I'm passionate about this shit. Man's not a loser, bro. We're losing to people that we should be beating. Their goals, why are their goals gone in? Nothing to do with their great play. It's just off the back of us. So can we be better? Ask yourselves, look at yourself. Don't look at anybody else. Can you be better? Are we winning our individual battles? Are we helping our teammates? That's the basics to start with. Your individual battles and then helping your teammates. Everything else is secondary. But that's my...
You have two to pick from. The most bougiest goalkeeper ever. You don't know this £100 playing fee? 120, most expensive. They're looking for him left, right, and center. You know that Kumazi guy wants you. He wants to sign you for another team.
I know. He called me. I didn't pick his phone.
This is going on the YouTube, so you will know. Hey, serious warm up today. You're looking very relaxed and lackadaisical. Like we ain't lost 4 in a row. Come on. Alright.
Yes, sir.
You better leave from the front then. Yeah, you better leave from the front then. You better leave from the front then. I like it when he's angry. I like him when he's angry still. He scores. When he's irritated, he scores.
Got to put in that work, you know. Second cam, let's go. Let's go, Royals. See this, but the lads warming up. Love that. So, manager and the coach here, a bit of tactical analysis.
High tips. It's been a tough start to the league, you know, but
4 games, 4 losses in the league, but hopefully today start something new. Let's go Royals. Let's go see what the goalkeeper's up to. Return of Crystal. Everyone knows he's our legendary keeper. He's retired on us like 5 times now, but you know, I had to bring him out of retirement. You know, they always say you don't appreciate what you lost till it's gone. Yes, Gaffer.
Yeah.
Any changes for today?
Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully we get the win today. You know, we've been on a little down at the moment. Like, was it 3-4 game losing streak?
4 games.
4 games. But today, got a couple of the old boys back. Smash, Kobe. So I'm happy. I'm sure about today. Remember I said W. That's all we're going for.
Dub.
You heard the gaffer.
Any chance of seeing those tactics there?
No tactics. It's a secret, bro. You can't see that.
You ain't got a left back, bro. Unless are you playing?
Nah, man. Unless the gaffer wants me to,
bro. You might have to start getting changed still.
Nah, man. I'm trying to do second cam, bro.
Start getting changed still.
The 1 week I want to do second cam, now they're telling me I might have to do left back, but it's alright.
Justified. Listen, the punters are saying I can't say it's justified.
Oh my God.
Check this, keep recording. Check his recording. The iPhone, please.
Come in!
He's going long, it's going long.
This time! Good, that's good! Come from behind!
He's coming off for how long? 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 He's coming off.
He's on! Finish! No!
David, step back. Chris! Chris! Oh. What the fuck is wrong with him?
Chris, jump in.
Why don't you come? Love it! Yes, what up, Chris? Get out there, get out there! What up, Wilfred? What up, Wilfred? I love it for you.
Hey!
Are you good, bro?
Hey, ref! Hey! Hey, move out the way, man! You don't move out the way, man! Move out the way, man! Both of you, move out my way! Move out my way! Move out my way!
What's more important?
This,
that's how you know.
we gotta get bread back, bro. What do you mean? You gotta make bread back at some point, bro. A lot, bro. That's what.
Great save.
Nah, bro.
You done better outside. Well done, that kid.
You're on! You're through!
So take it. Oh, what to see? Oh my Incc! Oh my God!
They're going vexed today still. They're going vexed today still.
Oh my God.
Christo is on smoke. He's on smoke, fam. He's on joke, bro. Are you dumb? I said please. I was even nice.
Go on, John. Stick your foot in. Well done, John. Get in there, John.
Recycle, slow it down.
Go.
Dangerous, you know.
Yeah, we're not dangerous.
Well done.
Let's do one. Play ball in their half, fam. Yeah. Play ball
Hey,
here.
Jack, move out my way, man.
That's it. Possession. On dribble. Yes. That's it, boy. Play ball in their half. Yeah.
Hey, fantastic goal.
Come on, you know where it is.
I'm calling.
Nah, that was just.
My midfielders, don't be laxy daisy in that middle. You can't take too long when we're trying to, especially when we're trying to pass out. You can't think 2-3 times about giving that pass the first.
The only way they get back in this game or score goals is from our mistakes. That's all it is. The one thing I've got to say here is, obviously I'm playing right back now. I'm playing high. In the middle, it's too long. It's too long. As soon as you get it, you should already get the picture and know what you want to do. This game is literally pass it inside, out. And there's space in behind for echo and whatnot, but everything's got to be done quicker. We all have to be on the same wavelength, innit? But they only get back into this or score goals from our mistakes.
See, how many have beat on one-on-one with you with the keeper?
Yeah.
But you go tired now, na machine.
Listen. If he's cut it from there,
Na machine.
listen, if he's cut it from there.
I don't want it like you know. All of a sudden, just do one sprint. Now all of a sudden. Nah, we got. Nah, I know. That's exactly it. It's over 5 minutes.
Spin him. Trust me.
Well done, eh?
Play on.
Man on right shoulder. Oh, unlucky. Slap it.
Wait, don't do that. Get on this touch. Again.
Someone made a tackle for once.
Oh my ball.
Go.
Get him six! Get him six! Get him six!
Get him 6.
Hey, go, Polo, go.
Thanks. I don't know if you can rack on.
First win in the league, man.
Well, first win, man. Thank you.
You gotta have an interview, bro. You gotta explain yourself. You know, in this club's history, we ain't never done 5 in a row. Yes. If not for the seniors, we'd have got 5 in a row. You man. Played, boys, played. Well played, well played.
Nice and loud, bro. Nice and loud, bro.
Well played.
Come on, boys, come on.
All right, well played, Bexley.
Movement today. See how now my wingers were getting onto my fullback, more balls were going in. That's all it is. Just more movement all the time and hard work. Hard work will always get you there. I don't know if you have always said this, hard work beats talent, the talent don't work hard.
I'm kind of strict, very negative, yeah. I say football's all about standards. The way we finish that, it's not a good standard. Playing against better teams, like you said, they will punish us, innit? So that's one thing, as a team, we've got to start strong and finish strong. And that's how you take it into the next game, innit? We got very complacent at the end, me included. But I think there's a lot of us in this team that's not fit. And that's something you got to work on, like getting deep in that, even for your own life. We was better than in terms of quality. But did we end it well? No. Yeah?
Because of fitness levels. Yeah? We need to get ourselves fitter. The fitter we become, things will become so much easier. All of these little flicks and chops that we want to do, we'll be able to execute them. We go again next week, boys. We don't let it drop. Now we've got a minimum standard. We know what it likes to win. Everyone's happy going home, I lie.
Yeah.
Let's keep this up, innit?
First 3 points of the season.
Hey, Royals, a big Royals before we go, man. Come on, man. It's our first win. Can't leave like that, fam.
You don't want to send me the money or...
I ain't gonna cash up.
I'm blind because everybody was late today.
And I was on time though.
Yeah.
Hey, the biggest Royals of the season. Hey, the biggest Royals of the season, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Let's go, boys. Hey, you had your chance, bro.
Coming off and then coming back.
Do you mean what you say? Do you mean what you say? Baby, you got, finally got your first goal on it. Finally, I'll send it to you, don't worry.
Thank you, I need it.
Don't worry, I got you.
First step, if the people will not shut up, just looking at you people say, people doesn't know what I'm passing through.
Finally ended your goal drought and that.
You mean I scored last week before?
Definitely.
Come on!
Yes! When you come out and get forgot.
It's very hard for you to score me free kick, corner kick, all those long train, no way. All those supers, before you even get them there already.
Nice triangles of play. Lovely interchange, a lot more volume, some speakers on the pitch.
Western.
I mean, it's brilliant Sunday. Brilliant Sunday. Brilliant Sunday to the boys. Away the Royals.
Yes.
Man headless,
The balance. The balance.
Us this year 3-2.
Cauldron, lads.
Yeah, fam.
They're the first in the corner.
Huh? Yeah. First win I call her in the league still. It's been mad still. 4 L's in a row. It's been mad still. Gaffer, what do you have to say for yourself?
He said he's moving like Fergie. He's doing up Fergie vibes. You know,
come anytime, man.
Give him time.
You need time to rebuild the club.
Build the club, man. New players in, new addition. So you know how it is.